Today we will talk about Japanese festival Tanabata. Tanabata is based on the romantic legend of the celestial lovers Viga Orihime, Altair Hikoboshi. They can only meet each other once a year and only if the skies are clear. The story actually originates from the Chinese legend Kishi, which was brought to Japan in the 8th century. The story is of two lovers, Princess Orihime, a beautiful seamstress, and Hikoboshi, a cow herder. They lived on different sides of the heavenly river, represented by the Milky Way. Orihime's father, god of the heavens, became angry as both of them abandoned their duties because of their devotion to each other, and he forbade them from seeing each other. However, Orihime pleaded with him, and as a concession, he allowed them to meet once a year. Tanabata is a summer festival and celebrated across Japan on July 7th. One popular tradition of Tanabata is hanging colored paper strips called tanzaku on bamboo trees. People write their wishes on these tanzaku and believe that hanging them on the evening of July 7 will make wishes come true. Food during Tanabata will not leave you disappointed. Some of the most popular cuisines include takoyaki, fried duff balls with small pieces of octopus inside. The dish is so popular in Japan that there are fast food chains dedicated to it. Yakisoba. Yakisoba is made from fried noodles mixed with pork and cabbage. It is garnished with yakisoba sauce and mayonnaise. Okonomiyaki, a kind of savory pancake made from batter and variety of different ingredients. The name translates to grilled as you like it due to the number of variations. Yakitori, grilled chicken on a skewer which is served with spring onion and yakitori sauce. So let me know how did you find this video. Please like and subscribe and comment if you want to know more about culture of Japan. Thank you.